Once again, good morning. Let's hear some of our friends here. Okay, from Vijay Patel. Very good morning. We have from Sujata Shah. Very good morning. We also have from Baikochi Gayak Lagilayan. Good morning, Dixon family, watching from KSA Lesnin. Okay, so just sit back, relax, because we will be bringing you a very special guest for today. Because this couple are I think they are. It's not. I think it. They are the youngest crown ambassador of the DXN world. So please share this Facebook Live and, of course, comment if you have questions later when they present, and they will be answering all your questions. And of course, also put this in your wall so that a lot of or tag a lot of friends so that they can share also, and listen to this motivational talk that we will be having today. But before that, of course, we would like to, of course, thank everyone, of course, for the 100% redemption promo. So just enjoy the, of course, this 100% redemption promo has been given to us by our Datuk founder and CEO, Datuk Dr. Lim Shaojin. He is really very generous. So thank you everyone for participating in this promo. Let's see, we have more comments here. Just to read some of those. We have Miss Vanessa Cao watching from Coronadal City, that's Philippines. We have also Manoj Kushwaha. Good morning to all of DXN Family International. We also have from DXN Kuala Lumpur, thumbs up, thumbs up. So just like and share our Facebook. And of course, talking about this redemption, we would like to thank our founder and CEO, Datuk Dr. Lim Xiao Jin, for bringing or giving us this redemption. And this is also an opportunity for all of us to thank Dr. Lim because and congratulate him. Why? Because he has been, okay, Dr. Lim has been recently appointed as a Goodwill Ambassador due to his support for the mandate of IMSAM, or the Intergovernmental Institution for the Use of Microalgae Spirulina Against Malnutrition. Of course, this is for the decade of Action 2020 to 2030, and his grand humanitarian gesture to promote food security, education, health, development, and of course for peace. So congratulations, Dr. Lim Xiaojin. Thank you, and for making us, always making us proud as DXN family. All right. So, are you excited? I am more excited to hear from our motivational speakers. And of course, before anything else, I would like to read, okay? Because this lovely couple, actually, when I went to Malaysia for the 25th anniversary, they were awarded as the Crown Ambassador. I was really amazed with this young couple because they are too young. And being a Crown Ambassador at an early age is really a success for all of us. No? So I think I will not have this too long for introduction for them. Okay, I will just read a very good introduction from this lovely couple. Okay, so your today's dose of motivation. Okay, keep on your path of success is provided by Mr. and Mrs. Barat. Mr. and Mrs. Clark are the youngest Crown Ambassador in DXN worldwide. From being a student to building a large, successful team at a young age, very young age. Mr. Bharat Garg is an inspiration for the young dreamers out there. Mr. Bharat Garg is science graduate, working last 20 years in the rec selling and 18 years in DXN. He has traveled to 25 countries through DXN, while Mrs. Shipra Garg is a commerce graduate and a fashion designer. Of course, she started working with DXN after marriage, since 13 years, and has traveled 14 countries. Mr. Bharat Garg is also an author of the book Kadam Laksha Ki Aur, which is available in Hindi and sets out the process and steps for one to be successful in direct selling. Mr. Bharat Garg has also done his diploma in nutrition, health education, IGNOU or certificate naturopathy and yoga from Inno course of BEMS or electro homeopath, and has conducted 2,000 meetings and seminars all over the India. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to bring you the youngest crown ambassador of the DXN world. Please help me welcome Miss our crown ambassador, Mr. and Mrs. Bharat and Shipra Garg. Hello, good
Hi,
morning.
Hello.
good morning. Good morning. So
We are
today,
very excited to hear your inspirational story. And it's our privilege and honor to talking and presenting our youngest crown ambassador of the DXN world. So, of course, this is your night. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. I'm
Great,
great.
great.
Yes, Miss Shipra, you're so beautiful.
Thank you. You too.
When I saw you in the 25th anniversary, I was so amazed actually because seeing you crowning to be the youngest crown ambassador, oh my God, it's really amazing success for the couple. So this is your night. I will, of course, the floor is all yours. Give your beautiful story. Tell us your beautiful story. Motivate us. Of course, all of the DXN members who would want also to be a crown ambassador. And this would be a very good motivation for all of us. So the floor is yours, sir and mom. Thank you for
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
accepting our
Thank you so
invitation.
Thank
much.
you. Thank
Uh,
you so much.
Good morning to all. Dosto, one more dream come true. I want to say share a virtual seminar, virtual webinar to international level. India, we are doing around last 4 months, lots of seminars, lots of meetings, but this is the first time to international gathering we are conducting. Today's session, we would like to thank Miss Nicholas and Miss Jackery, also and entire Malaysian international staff. They are providing this opportunity to share our experience, share our some of our secrets we can share with you. Today's presentation we are parting two parts. First part my wife is covering, and second part I will do. So, ladies first. I introduce my wife, my better half, my life partner, and she will explain what is the women's empowerment. So here,
Thank you to all. And this is a very privileged day for me because, as Bharat says, one dream more come true. This is my dream that I will be there, and today is the day when I am representing India. Like this, and today I am telling you about the woman empowerment. This is my dream that I will be there, and today is the day. So thank you for you all to joining me to joining this. And now I will tell you about women empowerment in direct selling business. As you can see that DXN business. We are talking about DXN business. This is a home-based business, and you can start this business with minimal money. Okay, if you sometimes there is a basic problem that we have some money and we cannot start our business, but this is a great thing that in this opportunity we can start a business with minimal money. Did you know 70% of all women who make six figure or more so through network marketing? You know this 1 lakh plus a lady can earn. Then why we and you just waiting for here that when the days come and we can earn 1 lakh plus income? So you can also do this and you can also join this now. This is a great time. As per IDSA, this is proved that women can do more good business rather than a male. 74% females rather than 25% of males do direct selling is a boost to women empowerment globally. Then if a lady do globally, then why not we and you? So this is a time to do this and a good time to do all over world. As per IDSA, you know that over 200 women direct sellers joined every day from 2016 to 17 and 18 to 19. And as you know that in this year we have in all over world we have a crucial crisis to all of the world that there is a virus. That's why we cannot do our work. But uh, in DXN we can say, and I'm seeing also that there is a huge bomb for doing business. So this is a great time in 2020. You and your friends, you can involve more and more ladies in DXN, and they can earn 1 lakh plus income in DXN. So today I am telling about woman as an entrepreneur. As you see this picture, in this picture, what you see? You see a lady with a lots of work and with multitasking work. And this is I am very grateful to say this because I'm a lady also. I am very grateful to say this that a lady can do two works in a time. But if we are talking about men, they cannot. So this is a that's why we can do with their our work. Advantage women's as an entrepreneur. You can understand very well that flexi timing. If someone want to do something for their economic support, then he or she have to some time that she spend on that and do a business to support their family also. But a lady, you can see, woman can devote time for their family and at the same time provide economic support. In last picture, you saw that a lady do lots of work with their baby, with their home chores, and with their some files and mobile, and she can manage it very properly. So this is a flexi timing with ladies. Personal growth. There is a big problem for a personal growth. Sometimes some ladies say that I have not a personal growth like a leadership or like a businesswoman. So I can tell them that a woman, already have social circle. As me, I have a circle, but I cannot know how to use that. Just like my friends, my husband's friends, wife, also my friends, my children's friends, mothers, also my friends, and my all entire family, my friends. So we have a social circle, a lot of social circle rather than gents. That's help them enhance their leadership and sales skills. If we talk them, if we told them about DXN or our direct selling business, then we can do very well. So investment, I told you later that there is a minimal investment. There is no need that you have to invest 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees in a business and then you can start. You can start with a minimal investment and do marvelous. No specific education criteria to join the business. This is a main important point. Sometimes we see in that ladies has a problem. They can do a service easily, but she cannot. She is not have a proper education, less education. That's why she is not able to do a good job and good business. But DXN is the only business in there. In this you can do any type of lady, any type of age, any type of education can do this business. So as for DXN and our business strategy. Direct selling. What is direct selling? Why I am recommend you direct selling? Because direct selling is a gateway. Okay, there is not a lots of distribution and lots of distraction key what you want to do. Okay, then an exciting career with time, money and security. Sometimes you see that a person have time but no money and no security, but sometimes a man have money but no security and no time, and sometimes a man had security but no time and no money. So this is the only this business then you can get time, money, security for you, your family and your world. And then this is a good business. Unique and great product range. This is a really very good point, because if you have a business opportunity, a good opportunity, a good marketing plan, but you have not a great product, you have not a quality products, then what you will sell, what you will do? If you have great products, it has already a great and huge their results, then is it very easy to sell them and boost up our business. So opportunity to run your own business, and this is the opportunity that you have great products and one gateway, then you can grow your business with leverage income. This is an example for you here, that 1% of 100% worth rather than 100% of your own. As you know, if a lady go to a kitchen for prepare food for 100 persons, then how can she prepare this? She prepared food, but it will take a lot of time. If she call their friends for help her, then she can do it in less time. So if we do only single person but a long time, so we get less. If we add some persons with us, then we get more. You can do this, and this is very good. Training and education. Today I am here and Bharat also is here to training and education, because we are also getting training and education a lot before I give you. Okay, can you finish your schooling? You can finish your schooling but not your education. This is a very important point, because sometimes we are just calling to persons, then come and take some meetings, and this is very good education will be there. What our person said, okay, it's okay, I know everything, but this is always remember, I am also remember this, ki I am finish my schooling but not my education. I can educate, I can education take education with my kids also, so you can also. Network marketing, a process of long life earning and learning. If you are, if you see this long life earning and learning, if you learn, if you drop L from learning, then you can say it will be a earning. Means if you learn, then you can earn. If you never learn, you never earn. Okay, distribution of intelligence is into intellectual skills or duplication of success, teamwork, motivation, caring and sharing. And you know, this is a very good thing, that caring and sharing. That's why I have a great and big huge family, because this is a caring and sharing business. No, now you are ready for to lead your business, to lead your leadership, to lead your team. I'm also ready. Then now I think you are also ready to motivate yourself and lead your team. So I have some easy steps how to grow up, how to grow up your DXN business, how to grow up yourself. Now we are start for this. Just like some very important thing and very important and very good thing, that dream and goals. You know, we have all have dreams, but we are not change our dreams in our goals. That's why our dreams will not become true. So first set your goal, what you want. Second, why are you in DXN? If you also in DXN and you want to be your growth, then you have to think, why are you in DXN? Why are you come here? And what is your goal? Write down your dream. Set your dream in your goals and write down in your copy or diary what is your dream. Visual your dream, always visual. Just like you want to be a car. If you want to be a car, how to visual your dream? Just sit on a chair and feel I am drive my car. And this is a power of visualization, power of spoken word. You know what is in India, this is very well to say, in 24 hours Ma Saraswati will sit on our tongue, and whatever we say it will be come true. So sometimes you see, listen now that if I say that it will also come true, then why not I take this? So power of spoken word. Bharat also says always to me that Shipra, always be positive and speak positive. If you speak positive always, everything will be good. So you also can do this. You should have a solid reason. If you are in DXN and if you want to be a success person in DXN, then you have to be a solid reason. If you have no reason, if you have not, you have a reason but not solid, then I don't think you will be succeed. So work on it. As you know, this is my favorite photograph and my favorite remembrance that I am with Dr. Liosim. Because this is my dream that Dr. Lim will illustrate me on a huge and big path and big stage. And this is the last year that when we are 25th anniversary, we are recognized as a crown ambassador couple, youngest crown ambassador in the world. And this is my really very big dream. Bharat and me both see this dream that Dr. Lim give us a flower, give us something, and say, best of luck, Shipra, best of luck, Bharat. Then that is my dream and it will come true. It is come true. And this is my picture when it is, this is India's picture in Delhi when they recognize us as a crown ambassador. In this picture, why I am showing you this picture, because when they give us crown, Bharat and me, when we are crowned, then we just feel like a king and queen. I'm just feel as I am a queen today and he is my husband, he is a king. As you see, we are looking like also like this. So this is my dream, or it is come true now, because we are learning and we are living in this business, in this dream. As you see that our great group and great mother, father, Dr. Professor, sir and ma'am, they are our great ideal because they are just like our father and mother. When I meet them, then I just feel that when first time I meet them, then I feel that he's just like my father and just like my mother, and they are introduced DXN in India. If they are not there, then we are also not there, because if DXN not India, then how can we do this business? So I my great regard and my great regard to my parents, and thank you to be a part of a DXN. And these are some pictures you can see. As you told later that I take 14 foreign trips due to DXN. I think before marriage I never be planned that in future I can travel 14 and more countries, because I do not know what is DXN. And when I am in DXN, I am just seeing the power of DXN and the beauty of DXN. You can see what's a picture: Bali, Dubai, Mauritius, Thailand. We have very few pictures, and I think it will be 14 to 15 because Bali added in this also. So a main important point, life partner. As you know, before my marriage, I am not knowing about DXN, but after marriage, I am know about DXN. I am a fashion designer, but now I am a DXN networker because of my life partner. You know, sometimes person says how to do business because my partner is not supporting me. So these are some few steps in which you can understand what I want to say. First is as a DXN consumer. If you take your partner as a consumer, so you can tell her or him that how to do business, how to take DXN products. As a DXN prospect, if you have a prospect, then you will tell to him or her that this is a product and this is a business program, how to do a business. But sometimes to our life partner, we are not doing that. We are just say our life partner, I am doing this and I am very exciting and I am very happy to do this. You will be support me. He or she never will support you because he or she didn't know what is this and why we do this. Find common needs, dream and purposes. You know, sometimes we have some dreams, needs and purpose, and my husband also have some other, but we are doing same work, then we have to need some collection from them. What is the common purpose and dream that we can do work together? Self use. what why this is the important part, self use. You know very well, I told you already that we have a great products. So if we are not using all 100% products, we cannot develop our trust and our confidence. As you see me, before 13 years, I do not know what is DXN. I do not know what is DXN product. I do not know what is coffee. So who anyone come to me and say कि DXN coffee is marvelous, I say it's okay, because I do not know what is coffee's result and what is marvelous products are we have. So when we use products, I have trust and confidence. As you see me today, I'm not reading anywhere what is the product. I do not reading anywhere what is business, and I am not. I'm just feel all these things because of 100% product use. Trust and confidence will come only when you have trust, when you have use all your products yourself. This is a good and very important point, because gift DXN products. Why we gift DXN products? This is a good point, because sometimes person says, ladies and gents and other person also, how can to talk to pupils? How can we get a prospect or a consumer? So this is a very important and good part, because we all have birthdays, parties, anniversaries, Diwali, Rakhi, Eid, and Christmas. So all these occasions we have to give some gifts to others, and this is a great purpose for me, because I pack my product just like my gift pack, just like 200, 300, 500, and 1000 as we can pay, and we wrap up our products and give to my friends, my relatives, my known person. That's why they ask to me, what is this, Shipra? How can we use this? And this is a new product. And when they say from Malaysia, see from Malaysia, then what they say, wow, Shipra, you give us a international brand product. So this is a very good idea. I think you also catch up this, and you can do also this. So this is a family business, and it is a very important that your family also involved in all this business, in this business, and talk to your relatives. These both points I already covered in last my points, that how to talk to your relatives, and this is a family business. So how to do business if you are a single? There is a only one example I have. So I will share with you that my husband, you know very well, that he is a youngest crown ambassador. How can he? Because he decide when he is unmarried, when he is younger, then he decide that I have to do something for my life and my wife, and he is doing and he can do. That's why he is a crown diamond and crown ambassador, and youngest crown ambassador in all over world, and I am we are crown ambassador couple in all over world. So if you are single, then decide yourself today कि you have to want what for your life partner, for your life in future. Then you can get more and more. You have more opportunity than others. Ladies must come in meetings. Why this point I cover? Because sometimes, as you know, ladies says we have less of time, we have not a time to come meetings. But this time, as you know, corona is very big problem to all over world, but sometime it will good also. Everything says give something also. It give our Zoom meeting, YouTube meeting, and our webinars. So this is very important and very easy to attend a meeting and control a meeting. So please come in all meetings, and we are part of this, and we can learn from it a lot. Priority. First decide what is important. This is a priority कि you have to decide yourself what is important, birthday party or business meeting. Sometime you have some opportunities, that and time you have other opportunities also, means you have to go some birthday parties or another party, and that time you have a business meeting. What you decide to take, birthday party or business meeting, TV, home meetings, general FMCG or DXN FMCG, medicines or RGGL, Spironum or NG nutritions. Okay, this is your priority. Decide yourself what you want. Display DXN. you know, this is a point to in India is very important, because somewhere we have no products, no logos, so then we lose our consumer and our prospects. So this is important thing. You have to be a logo outside your house. That's why you can told to other person that you have a DXN products, you are in a DXN family. Inside banner in your house there is a banner or poster with DXN or your entire journey. Okay, magic corner. One side empty boxes or second side DXN products. This is a magic corner is a very important thing for our houses, because there is a small and little story. One day we have a guest in our house from outside of city, and he want to ask us, when he see one side of magic corner, what all the products. Then Bharat told him what is this and how to use this. Then he is very crazy and he want all products, and some products he want to carry with him. But sometimes if we have no products and we cannot give to him, but we have our magic corner, then pick our products and give to him. So you have to be a manage a magic corner in your house. That's why you can give any product to any person anytime. Visiting card. Always take visiting card with yourself, because when you are in a bus, in a train, or in other any public place, you can give your card to contact them. DFN, leaflet and pamphlets, you have to use them also to give some information. DXN products demo. DXN products demo is really very good, and as I told already, we have a great range of products. And we can start with DXN tea, Linji coffee, or our other coffees also. We have lots of range of beverages. Then we can start with tea or Linji. Wash your face with Ganojit soap, your face wash. Use aloe vera lotion and baby oil, dry cocoa tea and coffee. You can use all these products, so you can you have to take all these products in your bag. When you go outside from your house or your family, then you have all products in your bag. That's why you use this and demo this. Do yourself. This is a very good thing, because I learned this from a lot, that do yourself only. Nobody can do your thing. Nobody can do your thing. Nobody can sing your song. Nobody live your life. Nobody write your story, and nobody makes you. Only you who make yourself. So now stand up with you and claps to you. Clap to you also, that you want to do yourself something. So thank you. Thanks a lot. So open the door for Malakshmi. She wants to come in with you for your future, for your business. So please welcome this, and thank you a lot. Thanks to a lot to listening me. Thank you.
So, good morning, everybody. Shipra is rocking. Shipra is very excited to share her experience to Malaysian and entire international, globally world, to how is successful in DXN. So, my dear friends, today I am very fortunate, very thankful to DXN management. I am sharing some my experience also. Maximize your DXN business potential, right? So first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Lim Seojin, who introduced DXN, Ganoderma, Espurna, and this type of opportunity. If this opportunity is not there, we cannot hear. So I would like to thank a very simple man, very such a great man, Dr. Lim Seojin. And another my 100% thanks to RBC for Dr. Ratna Vasupal, Professor Vasupal, and Dr. S. Ranjan. They are our mentors. They are our great gurus. So that if we are here because of him, his guideline, his order, his sharing, his experience, I am here. So I would like to thank our great professor sir and ma'am. Thank you so much for you are selecting to motivating us for here. I am sharing first important thing. I would like to say the two most important days of your life are the day you born and the day you find why you born. It's very, very important. The day you born, it's like a happy birthday. It's your date of birth. And another thing, why you are in Earth? Why are you in India? Why are you in global? There is some reason, and find out the reason. Find out the why. And my reason, my why, my inspiration is date of my joining is 2002. But 1st July 2002, I joined DXN. Last 2 days before, I am celebrating my 18th birthday of date of joining of DXN. Once when I come in DXN. So my dear friends, it's very, very important 2 days. Why you are in DXN? Why you are in life? As you all, as Shipra said already, we are the youngest Crown Ambassador. This is our Indian celebration as a king and queen. In that Corona time, you are seeing virtual world. You know, we have a link. We got a link from WhatsApp. There is a meeting from that and that person. He is introduced this and this topic, covering this topic, and we are promoting the meeting. So many people. The source may be Facebook, it's maybe YouTube, and it's maybe Zoom and all other webinar sources. So once you're sharing the meetings in India, we are promoting 7 p.m. every day. RVC, our great gurus, conducting a meeting, and we are sharing lots of successful faces, and you can see every day 7 p.m. Indian time. And our DXN management is also doing a very good job in this time, in entire Corona time, entire lockdown time. Our DXN DMI management India is also conducting lots of virtual meetings, lots of different experience. Leaders are sharing his experience, his ideas to everybody. So I would like to thanks to RVC and DXN management. They are providing regularly meetings. Once you sharing your link of meeting, you can share a story. As you all know, Mark Zuckerberg is a Facebook founder, right? Mark Zuckerberg invited 5 people in the Harvard room in 2004 to discuss a business opportunity. Same like I am sharing a link. Come and join this business opportunity meeting. And in 5 people, only 2 people showed up, and they got in. Today, those 2 people are billionaires. One is 6.5 billion, and another one is 3.4. What is the lesson for those 3? And you, all of us, nothing is more expensive than a closed mind. Don't stand in your own way. Remember this: when you turn down a business opportunity from someone you know you can trust. So this story can open his brain, can open his mind. Okay, if I am sharing a very serious information, come and join us. This story will work. These remaining 3 are maybe there is nothing. But these 2 people come in meeting, they are billionaires. So my dear friends, you can share the experience for this through this story. Before Corona, you have seen lots of people in morning to evening go disease, drugs, doctors, pills, surgeries. The huge queues are there, and a person who is introduced lifestyle changes, there is no queue. People are not interested. People are not aware about wellness, about so many things. But after Corona, you have seen everybody have face mask, sanitizers, hand sanitizer. All queues is go to face mask and sanitizers they are using. But it's a good thing now. This crowd, these pupils are coming to vitamins, coming to nutrition. They are coming for solutions. My dear friends, DXN is the best solution for us. How? As I remember, 18 years back, I joined DXN Business Opportunity Meeting. I was 18 years back, first meeting. Yeah, you just imagine there was a line: prevention is better than cure. There was a line: immune system. DXN products give immunity booster, immunity modulators. Entire words saying this time, around 4 to 5 months before. Words accepted. Prevention is better than cure. Immunity. And DXN is talking about last 25, 27 years before. Dr. Lim says this terminology, immunity, detoxifications. Just can you imagine? We are doing the same. Words are following us. You can promote our products like an immunity kit. Our 3 to 4 or 5 products include, and you can say immunity pack. You can share your products like immunity pack. You can share our reaction products like immunity kit. As you all know, our product is as a builder, as the regulator. Ganoderma is regulator. Ganoderma is a cleanser, detoxification, and the regenerator. So these take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. So people are understand right now, and this thing we are talking about last 18 years and 20 years. And first of all, I would like to thanks and congratulate to all of you, our great DXN founder and chairman, appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of IMSAM. As you all know, last 10 years before, who was the Goodwill Ambassador? Barack Obama is the Goodwill Ambassador. Now, our great mentor, our great leader, Dr. Lim Seo Jin, for next 10 years. Can you imagine? It's a very big opportunity. 19th June 2020 is the virtual signing ceremony. We all attend this ceremony. Dr. Lim and Maradona, the secretary of the IMSAM, and sharing his this experience. So this is a very, very proud privilege to us, all entire DXN family members. IMSAM, why choose IMSAM? DXN is Spirulina. Can you imagine? Because our Spirulina is best. No one can compete our Spirulina. That's why MSAM, United Nations, select our Spirulina. And you, as all know, scientific research and academic publisher, Open Journal of Preventing Medicines. Your Malaysian, our friend, Mr. Dr. Shiva and Dr. Lim Seo Jin published a paper, Ganotherapy and Holistic Human System in the Pathway of Holistic Health for Immediate Relief for COVID-19. Can you imagine the power of our product? Can you imagine the power of our potential? And another thing, our great group, Professor Sir and Ratna Ma'am and Dr. S. Ranjan, RVC, published a paper, research of effect of spirulina and anatomic and biochemical parameters in school-going children. There is a study was conducted to effect of spirulina parameters and biochemicals parameters before and after it using as nutritional supplement in the school children's. The study was conducted in the residential girls school in the age of group between 11 to 13. 3 capsules of spirulina, DXN spirulina, were given during the dinner time for 3 months. At the initial survey and the end of the 6th month, the hemoglobin, the serum ferritin, the serum zinc, the serum protein, the serum albumin levels, 3 to 6 months are measuring the entire paramedical staffs of Annamalai University, professors or deans, all our HODs are monitoring the parameters, and you can see the amazing results. This paper is also published our great guru Professor Sir and last 5 years before, 6 years before. And another great, our Dr. S. Ranjan. You know, Dr. S. Ranjan published an antimicrobial activity of Ganoderma lucidum. Can you imagine? He's a published antimicrobial activity of Ganoderma lucidum, and Dr. S. Ranjan published article and medical journals published this paper in Himachal, India. As you all know, Ayush Ministry in India and Uttar Pradesh. Professor Lakshmi was there. She giving a online virtual meeting for COVID-19. She introduced so many herbs, and you know there is a reishi also. She also introduced a reishi Ganoderma lucidum and triterpenoids. Because of this components, Ganoderma works on COVID also. So, my dear friends, can you imagine? We are very lucky. We have such a great herb, Ganoderma, and people are watching. People are searching vitamin C products. Vitamin C products. And because vitamin C is also increasing our immunity, lots of people are some pills taking pills for vitamin C. But we have two natural herbs like Lamonji and Roselle is a very highly vitamin C contained. We have these two products also. And another thing, Ayush Ministry of India introduce and say the coconut, the benefits, simple Ayurvedic remedies for COVID-19. You know what this is? Nasal application. Apply coconut oil in the both the nostril in morning and evening. We have coconut oil, right, with Ganoderma, and they are also oil pulling therapy. So switch your mouth with 1 spoon of coconut oil for the 2 to 3 months and split it off. And you can imagine these two things are promoting as a coconut oil Ayush Mantralaya of India. And imagine you can apply locally applies also coconut oil for your moisturizer, for your skin, for your hands, for face. You can also apply these things. So can you imagine? People are investing gold, people are investing properties, people are investing shares, mutual funds. But this is the time to invest in nutrition. My dear friends, if you are not investing in nutrition, now you will late. Nutrition's franchisee. People are taking franchisee like McDonald's, Subway, 7-Eleven, right? Pizza Huts, and so many others. People are investing so many lakhs, crores, and they are for franchisees. But DXN giving you a nutritional franchisee, home-based business, home-to-home franchisee business are providing DXN as you. Under the adverse condition, some people break down and some people break the records. Try to understand. Some people break down and some people break the records. I'm showing some case study of this scenario. One case history, Mr. D.S. Gola, is March 2020 business, only 3,000 group PV. In April, 1,000 group PV. And in the May, 68,000 group PV, and he qualified Star Ruby status. Can you imagine this COVID time? The last 3 months summary, Mr. Baljit Singh and Ms. Hardeep Kaur. He's an army man. Can you imagine his case study? March 34,000, April 40,000, and in May 1,01,000 group PV, his group PV. Another family I will introduce, Mr. Shani and Miss Silpi Thomas. They are both are the school teachers. They are doing service for kids, children for education. The March group PV is 21,000, April is 15,000, and in May 60,000. And she qualified Star Diamond and Executive Star Diamond. Both the levels she qualified in the May month. And our great friend, great brother, Triple Diamond, Mr. Puneet Sharma and Kalpana Sharma and his son, Mr. Pulkit. He brought a car of Maruti XL6 top model, 15 lakh rupees car in COVID time. Can you imagine the power of DXN, my dear friends? Can you imagine? And other in the India part of Punjab in Bhatinda, one service center appointed. So many leaders are in problem, but Mr. All our great Punjab leaders are appointed in Bhatinda. Gurcharan Singh and his team appointed a service center. So I have a problem. If a problem, only two solutions are there. If a problem like entire global is in right now some problems, as you all know. So the solution: run away and participate. Run away is very simple, and participates भाग लो या भाग लो. भाग लो means run away and भाग लो means part करो, उसका partition उसमें part करो, उसमें perform करो. It's choice for you. What do you like? You run away and you participate. And one more important thing I would like to share in job and DX and direct selling business. You have seen here is everyone individual efforts